Hi everyone, today we are going to make a color wheel. Things required to make this color wheel is a CD, brush, pencil, scale, 3 primary colors and a protractor. Let's make a color wheel now. I am using lemon yellow, cobalt blue and crimson red. Let's start. First, draw one circle. I am tracing a CD to get a circle. If you have a compasses, that will be fine. I didn't find any compasses here, so I'm using this CD. I made a circle, and you have to find out the center of the circle. Well, and through the center you have to draw the diameter, the straight line going through the center of the circle. Okay, now you have to use a protractor. There's a protractor. Okay, got it. Keep the protractor right above the diameter and mark 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree and 150 degree. 180 and 0 are already there. Now take the scale and connecting the center point and the marked points, you draw lines, extend it to the other side also. So connecting the angles marked, let it go through the center of the circle and let it touch on the other side of the circle. Okay, first you have to make sure that the scale is kept at the center, touching the center as well as where we have marked the degree. Now here one more line, extend it, let it go to the other side. Okay, one more is there. Here, center and the marked point, connect it, let it go to the other end of the circle. So now we have got 12 equal parts. Okay, we have divided this circle into 12 parts and we are going to start with the lemon yellow. So here is a palette. On this I am taking lemon yellow. Let me squeeze a little and I'm adding a few drops of water and diluting it. Okay, and now I am applying yellow inside one part of the circle. Okay, now I'm washing the brush. Now I am taking red color. The red which I have taken is Crimson Lake. So taking Crimson Lake and I'm adding water to get it diluted. And here I have applied yellow. Now I am going to leave 1, 2, 3 parts. And on the fourth one I am applying this red color, Crimson Lake. Okay, next I am taking, okay, I have used lemon yellow, and Crimson Lake also I have used. Now I am taking Cobalt Blue. I am taking Cobalt Blue and adding water to get it diluted. Again, here I have left 1, 2, 3 parts. Here also I am going to leave 1, 2, 3 parts, and on the fourth one I am going to apply this color. So here 3 are blank, here also 3 are blank. Well, so these are the 3 primary colors: yellow, red and blue. Next we are going to do the secondary colors. Here we are going to mix and make the secondary colors. So I am going to take yellow and I am adding red to that. So here it is. So yellow plus red. So this is yellow, this is red, and here right at the middle I am applying this color, orange color. Now I am going to mix yellow and blue. Okay, so here it is. First I am taking yellow and then I am taking blue and mixing it, and I have got green color. So this is yellow, this is yellow, this is blue, and in the middle portion I am giving green color. Okay, now I am taking red and I am taking blue, mixing red and blue, and this time I got violet, and that color I am applying here. So now there are 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors. Let it get dry and then we will mix and apply the tertiary colors. So let's wait. Okay, now these colors are dry, so let's mix tertiary colors. So first violet and blue. Let's mix violet and blue and apply it in between violet and blue. Okay. Next, red and violet. I have mixed red plus violet, and this is the place to fill red and violet. You can call it reddish violet or red violet or violetish red. So this is red violet. Now let's make red plus orange. So taking orange and adding red with that. So this is a place for red orange or reddish orange. Right now we are making the tertiary colors. First we have applied primary colors, yellow, red and blue. Then we have made secondary colors, green, violet and orange. Now tertiary colors. The next tertiary color we are going to make is orange and yellow. So I'm mixing orange and yellow, and here I am applying that. It's an yellowish orange. Now yellow plus green. Let me apply yellow plus green here, yellow green, and finally green plus blue. So green plus blue. Yes, here it is, green plus blue, and let's apply green plus blue here. Okay, that's all. Now we have got the color wheel with 3 primary colors, 3 secondary colors and 6 tertiary colors.